All right, yeah. So today was Friday, and we did a quick little trip to La Jolla Cove. We ended up staying in because we were kind of bored this particular day, but we wanted to go get some food in San Diego, burritos to be specific. So we took a trip to our favorite Mexican restaurant, and then we went to La Jolla Cove. On our way to La Jolla Cove, we discovered that there was like a hurricane alert. And y'all, I was kind of nervous, but we were like, skip it. Let's just go. Let's see what a hurricane look like. I can't swim, y'all. So, nah, for real though, like, don't ever do this. It was cool though.
Yeah. 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 So pretty. What are you doing? She's sitting. Cheese. Cheese. Big smile. Big smile. He's so sweet. Alright, y'all. Nicholas is over there taking pictures of crabs.
Yeah, baby crab right there. You getting all washed up. Baby crab right there. I ain't gonna lie, this water trying to go on me, bro. I was finna go up there. And I started seeing too much shit. But it's a nice little area right here. But right there. That's a little baby crab. Right there. Hey, damn, hold on. I'm a little too close. Shit. Oh, there it is. Right there. Oh shit, they biting at me, bro.
Sorry if the camera keeps moving, guys. Be safe! Did you get it?
So we were about to, we went to go to the flowers, but we stopped by for a little bit to see if we could just stay here for a little bit.
Yep, and watch the water.
And
Ooh. Enoch, say hi.
Say hi. Say hi to the camera.
Hi. This is Babe.
My hand.
I see your hand.
Out there like that.
Mommy very
Here,
cute.
kid says. Save right here. That's the kid section. There's only here right here where I can play. I don't think
You gotta know how to swim.
oh, I want to be
This is so beautiful. It's so cold. Oh shoot. Oh, I think somebody got their sweater or something stuck right there. Yeah. You see all the birdies? All of the birdies over there. Yeah, they're making
more friends. Making more still friends. It's like recess for them, you know?
No, never mind. Let's drop the subject.
What?
We were just
What are you
talking.
planning on doing? You know, you planning on going in there and rescuing them and stuff? Well, this is not the time for that. They're not going to let you rescue them. It'll be like a little field mill. Sea lion.
What?
Mill. It's going to be a snap. The sea lion is that.
I wonder what will happen if somebody ran down there.
I don't know.
What happened?
I'm not going to be doing the try.
You mean that dolphin on top?
Unless I start from down there and I have to run up.
That black one on top?
The black one on top is what?
No idea.
Sea lion.
Enoch.
So the black one is sea lion?
They're all sea lions.
Wait, what?
Back there.
Not the
Enoch.
birds,
Enoch.
but the ones that look.
Say hi. Enoch, say hi.
I wonder if we can get on their back.
What?
I would love to get on that.
I would think that there's like bacteria on them.
What's the
Camera point of view.
want to see?
Come over here though.
Yeah.
I see that, no?
Well, I feel like we all
That sounds
originated
really
from little animals, though. I've seen some people that look like sea lions, though. With the face and everything, like, I've really seen that. I think people originate from animals. Tell me you ain't seen nobody that look like a sea lion.
That sea lion is just laying down.
I know
They
somebody
smell
that-
fishy though.
What do you think they're, if they don't have bathrooms? Man, like, it's a beautiful view, though. Nice
This
little view.
is.
I like how the mountains sit right next to the water like that.
No, I see a squirrel again. Oh. Yeah, he's so fresh. That rock next to the one that's fresh, that rock looks like it's a headlight.
She's looking in my eyes. Never seen no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign?
Oh, I see that one running. That one was running.
They look like fat slugs. The babies are so adorable.
Yeah, you're right. I can see
how they just lay on their bellies and they just
Right?
they just scratching themselves like how dogs do.
With his tail.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the one in the water to get out. Yeah. Dude. What if we mistake that as a rock one day?
I wonder if they would attack anybody if they come down.
Yeah, they just did it like last night.
I'll be running for my life, boy.
Oh, it's going in.
I'll come back. Aren't they like mammals?
Alright guys, so we're done
Yeah, we're
and
done.
we're going back to the car.
Yep.
Did you have a good time?
Yep.
What was your favorite part?
About the sea lions.
Seeing the sea lions? What was your favorite part?
Third part what?
Of our time?
The kill. I like the kill. I like to get
Nicholas got attitude. It's okay, Ezzy.
I promise I'm not.
But anyways, y'all, so we definitely had a good time. I wanted to take a scooter, but Nicholas doesn't want to take a scooter. Boo-hoo. And I don't think Ezra is old enough to get on one.
I wish I could go. I wish I could buy my own scooter.
Yeah, but you're not old enough for those ones yet. I think you need like an ID or a certificate to ride those. Something like that. But yeah, guys, it was fun. I loved it. I enjoyed the water.
Me too.
I wish I would have brought a swimsuit to get in the water, but it's all good. For the most part, we still got wet a little bit. Now, I don't know what we're gonna do. Probably go get something to drink because it's so hot.
That's what I said.
It's supposed to be a hurricane, but
That's what I said. I wanted a drink.
you wanted a drink too? Come on. Say excuse me.
I want a slushie.
Only if they have. Well, I don't know about a slushie. Ezra has a cavity, so I don't think we'll be giving him too much sugar. Whew. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Like, we're going uphill, and I'm tired. I haven't worked out consistently. Like, I worked out a couple of times this week, but dang, it really like affects my body when I don't go for the little days that I go. But alright, y'all. We'll catch you later.
Yep. Bye. Bye.
Bye.